can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has jumped towards $61,000. Bitcoin over the last 1 week is down 3%, over the last 1 day is down 3.4%. But the good news is, guys, is that over the last 1 month, Bitcoin is still up 5.6%. Over the last 1 year, still up 122%. Bitcoin currently trades around $61,000. We've seen Bitcoin get to as high as $66,000, ending Q3 on a very, very bullish note. We're expecting October to be very, very bullish, but October has started with a dump, a 9% dump that's taking Bitcoin back to $60,000. Bitcoin is currently below its 200-day moving average. How high can we go in the coming days and the coming weeks if Bitcoin is still going to see some upsides? Fear has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. Guys, we've seen a little dip in the market, and that has swung the market back to fear. The market is very volatile right now. We have seen greed in the last 1 week. We have seen fear in the last 1 week. We have seen neutral sentiment in the last 1 week. The bulls and the bears are battling it out. Hopefully, we are going to have a decision very, very soon. But guys, one reason why Bitcoin dumped to Goblin Town is leverage. We saw Bitcoin getting to $66,000 just about a week ago. Right now, Bitcoin is trading less than $5,000 from that top. Why did that happen? We saw a lot of bulls getting liquidated yesterday. Over $452 million was lost by bulls yesterday. The largest liquidation happened on Binance. One trader lost $12.6 million, betting the price of Bitcoin will go up to the moon. What happened? The price of Bitcoin dumped to Goblin Town. Traders have lost over $140 million betting on the price of Bitcoin going to higher values. They saw Bitcoin dumping to Goblin Town. That's one reason you want to avoid leverage, guys. That's one reason why you want to go fully spot. You don't want to lose your hard-earned money. Just think about this crazy thing. So people have been holding their Bitcoin, holding their positions, and the market just dumps 9%, and boom, they are back to zero. 3 signs that Bitcoin Q3 close was bullish. Bitcoin will not be embracing October with a bang, but there are plenty of reasons to be bullish on Bitcoin's performance. It's crazy. We're expecting a very, very bad September in crypto. It ended up being one of the best September we have seen. Bitcoin was up around 9% to close the month. We're expecting October. We'll start pumping the month of October. History has shown over time that expectation was not out of line. When we started October with Bitcoin dumping back towards $60,000. Bitcoin price action has joined that of the United States equity, conjuring an impressive comeback from lows in early August. Can the good time continue over a classic October? August price crash was cancelled. Q4 looked very, very bullish. October is here. Hopefully, the trend will continue. But guys, the fact that other Octobers have seen Bitcoin pumping doesn't mean we'll always see Bitcoin pumping in October. We've had red Octobers before. 2018 Bitcoin was red in October. 2014 Bitcoin was red in October. But historically, Bitcoin has seen double-digit gains in October. Will this time be different? Another reason is that the Fed has started easing the stimulus and liquidity in the system. But guys, remember, anytime the Fed start cutting interest rates, long term is bullish for the market. We will see a pump maybe in 2 years, maybe in 3 years. But in the short term, they are seeing worrying signs in the economy. And in the short term, we might just see a big dump to Goblin Town. Another reason why Bitcoin price has gone from $66,000 to as low as $60,000 is that Bitcoin ETF sees the biggest outflow in a month. As Middle East tension surges, the outflow reverses an 8-day trend of consecutive inflows totaling $1.4 billion. So Bitcoin has been having a good time over the last 1 week, over the last 3 weeks, I would even say, since the 6th of September 2024. Bitcoin has been grinding upwards. Bitcoin has been going to higher values. Bitcoin went from $52,000 to as high as $66,000. 27% increase in 21 days. That's a very, very fast pace for Bitcoin. But right now, we're seeing slowdown because you don't know whether the world is going to go into World War III. The fact that Iran is attacking Israel attacking Lebanon. Guys, anytime there's geopolitical tension, Bitcoin also suffers because Bitcoin is very liquid and Bitcoin is one of the easiest things to sell. Bitcoin tanks go rebounds as Israel vows Iran will pay for attack. The price of Bitcoin fell about $4,000 after Iran fired some 180 ballistic missiles at Israel, escalating the conflict in the Middle East. More news stories going around the Bitcoin ecosystem. Bitcoin metrics reset and points to a major move in Q4. Analysts say Bitcoin prolonged down reset is key price metric, setting up BTC for a stellar Q4 performance. Remember, guys, Yes, historically Q4 has been bullish for Bitcoin. Yes, we could easily see Bitcoin get to $100,000 in Q4. Yes, all these things are very, very possible, but there's always that possibility that Q4 this time will be different. There's always that possibility that we're going to see a huge dump to gobbling down. We have been on this rally since November 2022. Yes, Bitcoin can go higher. We can get to new all-time highs. Bitcoin is basically less than 30% away from new all-time highs. But I see so many bullish perspectives. I see so many bulls expecting Bitcoin to go to $100,000 in Q4, maybe end the year at new all-time highs. I believe Bitcoin will get to new all-time highs in the future. I just don't think that time is now. CME Bitcoin Friday futures launch with 31K contracts on day one. CME new derivative products allow market participants to hedge or speculate on Bitcoin's price movement in the short term. Guys, more and more financial products are coming for Bitcoin. More and more financial productions are being launched. We have seen options, CME futures, sports ETFs. All these different financial products are going to slow down the price of Bitcoin. They're going to kill the volatility that we've come to like about Bitcoin. Yes, we like seeing Bitcoin pumping to the moon. We like seeing Bitcoin going, pulling a 10% move in a day, pulling a 50% move in a day. But I think that time is about to come to an end, because when Wall Street's come, your profit is gone. And for Wall Street to come, it means they believe Bitcoin is a profitable venture to partake in. Can Bitcoin go to $1 million? That's very possible, but that's less than the 20x from where we're currently trading. Bitcoin is still the king of the market. On a shorter time frame, we're still expecting to see Bitcoin still rally. Maybe we'll go back to the 200-day moving average. Right now, that 200-day moving average sits at $63,000. But from here onward, guys, I'll not be shocked to see Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin. I'll not be shocked to see the altcoin market outperforming Bitcoin. From here onwards, right now, you'll see Bitcoin take a little back seat as market participants are going to get very greedy. And they can get very greedy very quickly. And you might see Bitcoin dominance dumping. Bitcoin dominance has always shown Bitcoin strength in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin dominance even got to as high as 58.57% in September. Right now, Bitcoin dominance has got to 57% region, hoping it will continue dumping towards 200-day moving average, which is at 55% for Bitcoin dominance. And guys, a dump in Bitcoin dominance is going to lead to a pump in the altcoin market, and a pump in the altcoin market usually signifies the end of a rally. So if we see a pump in the altcoin market and we see a dump in Bitcoin dominance, don't start expecting Bitcoin to continue pumping to 100K. Expect to have a reset, expect to have a dump to gobbling down, and bad news is that that dump might even carry us below 15K. I'm sure a lot of market participants are not ready for that kind of outrageous price predictions right now, so we're going to take it one step at a time. Bitcoin trades at $61,000. Quantile regression Bitcoin price model hints at $275,000 by November of 2025. A Bitcoin researcher says that quantile exponential decay trend could even see Bitcoin price going as high as $300,000 in 2025. Crazy price prediction. Anything is possible. But guys, there is a very huge consensus in the cryptocurrency market that we are on a 4-year cycle. There's a huge consensus that 2025, October, November is going to be the top. My question is, how are we sure we're not going to have a big dump from here to 2025? We have seen how easy things can quickly shift in the cryptocurrency market. And guys, when those dumps always happen, you hear things like, nobody could predict it, nobody knew how this thing will happen, this is a black swan event. There's no black swan event. Everything can be read in the chart, and the chart says Bitcoin has not been able to blast to new all-time highs since March. Bitcoin has been struggling, still trading at its new all-time highs. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin trade below $10,000 before we see Bitcoin trade above $100,000. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Right now, there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, the market is volatile. Pumps on the daily, dumps on the daily. Where do you see Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Do you think we're going to see $70,000 Bitcoin in Q4? How bullish are you in Q4 of 2024 for Bitcoin? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.